Hi, this is Jasmine Tohidi, and this week I wanted to do a video on how to travel after you've been granted asylum. So I have several of my clients who have asked me this question lately, which is, can I travel outside the United States after having my asylum approved, and what do I do? First, you should not use your country's passport to travel. For example, if you've gotten asylum from Cameroon, you may not use your Cameroonian passport to travel. Second, and the biggest one, is you should not travel to your country of persecution. Again, if you got asylum from Cameroon, you cannot travel back to Cameroon. Otherwise, when you go to get your green card or your citizenship, they might ask you, you said you were afraid to return to this country, why did you take a visit there? If you have to travel for an emergency reason or to visit a sick family member, I would go online and look at USCIS's rules about how you can do that, or consult with an immigration attorney about whether the risk is worth it. But how do you travel as an asylee if you're not allowed to use your country's passport? You need to apply for what's called an asylee or refugee travel document. So what is this? It's a booklet given to you by USCIS that allows you to travel to different countries. So it is issued by USCIS. You apply for it on a form I-131. It's a very confusing form because it involves traveling in very many different circumstances. It might be worthwhile, again, to see an immigration attorney to assist you. If you don't want to do that, again, like I always say, read the instructions, read the instructions, read the instructions, because they give you a lot of information. So what is a refugee or asylee travel document? So you'll get a little blue booklet that has a biographic page with your face, your information, and then pages for a visa. What's the negative? The only thing that I don't like about it is it's only valid for 1 year, so you have to renew. Make sure also, whatever country you do want to travel to, that you reach out to that country's embassy and ask them if you do need a visa to travel. So just because you have the traveling booklet doesn't mean you can travel into the other country. You have to look at their visa rules. Lastly, if you do have a green card pending and you paid the filing fee of $1,225, the traveling document is free, although you paid $1,225 for your green card, and you do not need to pay the filing fee for the refugee asylee travel document. If you had a fee waiver, meaning you asked USCIS to excuse the fee for your green card application, then you do need to pay the fee for the refugee travel document. Again, I think I've said this in previous videos, USCIS has what they call a fee calculator. You can go to their website, you put in the type of form that you're applying for, answer some questions, and USCIS will confirm the filing fee for you. So I hope this was helpful. Remember, again, if you've been granted asylum, do not return to your country of persecution. Do not travel on your country's passport. Do not renew your country's passport, and make sure to look at visa requirements for the country that you want to go to once the refugee asylee travel document is approved. Thank you, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend. If you have any questions or like to hire my office to assist you, our phone number is 202-656-6571. If you like the videos, you can also subscribe or like our Facebook page.